Still struggling to get stronger from push-ups, even after doing hundreds? Here's the truth. Most people think they're doing push-ups right, but they're secretly training their joints more than their muscles. Let's fix that, fast. Because if you're making these 5 mistakes, you're only pushing yourself toward bad form and slower gains. Stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix your push-up form, build real strength, and finally feel your chest, shoulders, and core working together like a machine. First, your hands. Most people spread them too wide. Thinking wider means more chest. Wrong. That kills shoulder stability. And instead, place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width, fingers pointing forward. Think of gripping the floor as like you're trying to twist the ground outward. That small cue, it activates your chest instantly. Second, elbows flying out at 90 degrees. That's like inviting shoulder pain to dinner. Your elbows should move at a 45-degree angle, close to your ribs. Imagine you're sliding your body between 2 narrow walls. Smooth, controlled, no flare. Third, I'm sagging hips. You're not a hammock! When your hips drop, you dump pressure on your lower back. Engage your core. Squeeze your glutes. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels, like a solid plank. Fourth, that chicken neck move. You're not pecking the floor! Keep your head neutral, eyes slightly ahead, not down. When your spine is aligned, your body moves as one unit. That's strength, not strain. And finally, half reps. Going halfway only gives you half the results. Lower until your chest is 1 inch from the ground, then push back strong. Every inch counts, because real progress hides in the hard part of the rep.